iOS 18.5 just dropped, and its AI features are wild. Record calls, snap selfies hands-free, and more. Stick with GadInsider to see what's new. What's good, tech fam? Welcome back to GadInsider. Apple's iOS 18.5, launched alongside Google I/O 2025, is packed with AI goodies that transform your phone. From call recording to smarter emails, let's unpack the hottest features. iOS 18.5 is all about AI. Call recording and transcription lets you record and transcribe phone calls with auto-save transcripts, perfect for interviews or notes. Remote selfie camera control is a game changer. Snap photos, portraits, or videos hands-free using gestures. AI-powered mail and writing tools help you edit, summarize, or proofread emails and docs like a pro. SharePlay makes iPhone to iPhone sharing a breeze. Just hold devices close to stream or sync. Satellite messages keep you connected with SMS and iMessage without Wi-Fi or cell service. Plus, Apple Intelligence's visual intelligence identifies objects, translates text, and suggests events instantly. Why is iOS 18.5 dope? It's practical AI that fits your life, transcribes call on the go, nails selfies without a tripod, or polished emails fast. Even the calculator got a glow up with scientific functions for complex math. This update is all about smarter and smoother vibes. Ready to try it? Update to iOS 0.5 via Settings by going to General and clicking on Software Update on your iPhone or iPad. Explore visual intelligence with camera control or test SharePlay with a friend. Follow GadInsider for tutorials and tips to master these features. That's the juice on iOS 18.5's AI features. Which one's your fave GadInsider fam? Call transcription or remote selfie? Drop it in the comments, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and share this video to stay in the tech loop.